Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going learn how to migrate public folders from an on-premises Exchange environment to Office 365. Public folder migration is often considered one of the more challenging Exchange migration tasks. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step in a simple, practical, and easy to understand way. We'll show you how to migrate public folders from an on-premises Exchange server to Office 365 using SysInfo Office 365 to PST Migration Tool. Migrating public folders can be a complex process, especially when dealing with a large amount of data, folder permissions, and multiple public folder structures. With the right tool, however, the process can be made much simpler and more manageable. Let's get started and see how to migrate.
First, proceed to the Google search on the browser and search SysInfo Office 365 Export to PST Tool. Select it, and the tool page opens where you can verify software details and general concerns. Check for Windows and Mac versions and click on the download button for the version you require on your OS. Once clicked, the downloading begins. Click Next for installation. Then, press Open Browser. After opening the software, connect Office 365 account. Enter your email address and click Login with Microsoft. After connecting successfully, you will see 3 backup options: Primary Mailbox, Online Archive, and Public Folder. Select Public Folder and click Next. Now, select the folders you want to back up from the mailbox folder hierarchy. You can choose specific folders based on your requirements or select multiple folders to include their data in the backup. After selecting the folders, click Next. The next step is to choose Office 365 as the destination. Select the appropriate Office 365 account where you want to migrate the selected public folder data and continue with the migration process. After successful authentication, the tool will establish a secure connection with your Office 365 account. Now, select the desired destination from the drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate Office 365 destination where you want the selected public folder data to be migrated, and then proceed to the next step. Now, you can apply filters to customize the migration process. These filters also help you remove duplicate items based on specific criteria. You can customize your backup. You can free up server space, select a date range, choose a folder name, skip migrated or empty folders, and map data to default folders. You can also select the items to include, such as emails, attachments, calendars, contacts, tasks, and notes. After applying the required filters, select the items you want to back up, and click Start Backup to begin the backup process. Now, in the Live Migration Command Center, you can monitor the entire migration process in real time. Here, you'll be able to view the overall migration progress, check the report of successfully migrated folders, and review the activity log for detailed information about the migration process. As you can see, the migration process has been completed successfully, with all selected data migrated to Office 365 without any data loss or errors. And that's how you can migrate public folders from Exchange Server to Office 365 using SysInfoTools. As demonstrated, the process is simple and straightforward, allowing you to migrate your public folder data efficiently while maintaining the folder structure and minimizing the risk of data loss. We hope this guide helped you understand the complete migration process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Exchange Server and Office 365 tutorials.